There's nothing that can help that guy. Whoa!
We are here at the beautiful Fremont Skatepark today, and we got the homie. What is your name?
Harlan Perry.
Yeah. Now, Harlan Perry has been shredding it up, and he wants to do a 50-50 grind on this ledge right here. How long have you been skating for?
3 years.
Sick. Have you grinded some similar boxes like this before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Well, yeah, we're gonna get the 50-50 going. It's a really cool trick to learn. It's like one of the base fundamentals, and let's see if we can do it right now. Boom.
So let's first see what you're working with, and then we will study. We will devise a plan.
Let's see it.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Look at that walk. Pick up the board. Look and fly, bro. Oh, okay. All right, before we go any further in teaching you how to do this 50-50, can you kind of break down what issues you're having? Like, what problems are you noticing when you're going?
Locking my back truck in.
Back truck, okay. Your front truck, easy to lock in every time? And do you notice you're falling like forward, backward?
Sometimes forward,
sometimes
but
back.
not that much.
Okay, so he's having some issues locking in the back truck.
Yeah. Can you ollie up to the pad and ollie off?
Yeah.
That's like a good way to practice. Yeah. That's
Okay,
sick.
okay.
How did that feel?
Great.
Nice.
All right, run one more. Ollie up the pad, all right?
So I think that can build your confidence, is like ollieing up, because it takes like a lot to go like straight on. But I guess now you just really gotta like ollie and try to really position where you want the truck to like land on. It seemed like you're doing it pretty well, but maybe just try to ollie like a little bit higher, like jump a little bit higher up, and then just really position the truck in the right spot. You got it. You got it. Yeah. So Janice is kind of at this stage as well. She's been trying to learn to 50 and stuff. What she always does is do like stationary. But she is interesting because when I 50-50, I ollie and then I put both trucks at the same time.
Yeah.
But what she does is she kind of goes like this and then like puts it on.
Yeah.
And if you do that, you can kind of get away with like not ollieing as high.
Yeah,
And I feel like it's maybe like teaching kind of like bad habits, you know?
Yeah, I feel like you almost need more control to do that.
Yeah, and like more finesse.
Yeah.
But I think if you just keep trying and then like we're gonna lock it in.
Have you ever tried to ollie into a 50-50 stationary?
No.
Let's give it a shot.
Woo! Maybe go a little closer. Yeah. See, I think with the momentum we're doing good. We don't have to worry about this.
Yeah.
Don't worry about doing this. All right, let's go back to the full attempts.
Yeah, stationary is hard.
Yeah, it's like a different thing, I feel like. Ooh.
Oh,
You
you
right?
good? Yeah, like I remember when I was learning 50-50s, I would like line up in front of a crack, and then I
Yeah.
would teach myself to ollie forward first.
That's how I did like front lip as well. You like look for a fade right
Yeah,
up.
exactly.
Go, boom.
We have a wild purple in the wild. Maybe
What are
front
we
foot a
doing?
little further back.
Yeah.
Oh! See, that one was better. It looked like you kind of just floated into it.
That was sick. I think just the timing of that one, everything's
Yeah.
perfect. And you just gotta do that and just, when you lock in, don't panic and just ride out. You got it.
Let's
This
go.
shot? Jumbo?
The next 5.
Yeah. Ooh. The faster you go this way, it will change. The less trajectory you have, it will change.
Yeah.
The stationary you have, it will change. So it's like you gotta kind of adapt constantly to all the different variables, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Okay.
good.
The tries where you're popping and then trying really quick to put it down, those are the tries that you have a hard time locking in. So I think what you should do is focus on popping a really, really good ollie, and then just let the board float onto the 50-50. And then if you keep your knees bent, you'll just kind of grind. All right. What's up, Dan? We're teaching the homie how to 50-50.
Very nice.
Oh.
Yeah. You got a glow border. Look at this glow stretching. What the heck? What parallel universe are we in?
Oh!
My goodness. That was sick. That was really good. Just really try to pop it up and get on there and like stand up on it, you know? You got it. Yeah.
Have you tried like trying to pop on a little more parallel to the ledge? Like instead of turning into it like this, you go more like with it, kind of straight on? Maybe try that.
Yeah, that was
That was actually looking good. If you ollied a little higher, got your back truck on, I think you would have been good.
Ooh, I hit the ledge.
You got it.
Oh my goodness. That was sick.
I got it.
Yes,
Yeah.
right here.
Whatever you just did, do that again.
Oh, steez on that. Because he's like only getting in few. Then when you get in, you tend to like panic. And you're like,
Yeah.
oh my god, I'm in.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
gotta just be like, all right, I'm getting in. And then you get on top and then be like, I'm gonna ride out now.
Yeah,
You
maybe
just gotta do
calm
enough
that.
attempts to like feel calm.
Boo! Skate somewhere else.
Yeah.
Alright, homie. I want you to try one thing. When you ollie, maybe try to put your front foot a little further back. Because right now, your front foot is all the way up here. And that's going to make it really hard to get a high ollie. Maybe try putting your foot like right there behind the bolts, alright? See if that helps you level out your ollie a little more.
Yeah, that was good.
That was better. The back was...
sound of the ollie was good.
Yeah, and the back was coming up more.
You got it right here.
Try a few like that, see if it works. There's nothing that can help that guy.
That's the ultimate pinch trick. If you do it right, you can pinch it like the most out of any grind, I think.
You got it. Good pop. Both trucks on there.
Oh, that was
You're
good.
getting there. You think you got it?
Yeah.
Good. You got it.
Oh, that was good. That was really good pop. Take this pop.
What pop?
Glow, slappy, and stretching. What is happening?
Solid pop. Aim both trucks on there.
Whoa!
That was steezy though. You got it. Stay confident. Stay strong.
Yeah, that was good. I
Keep it
feel like
going.
right now he's just at the point where he just has to keep going, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my!
That was good speed.
That was coincidentally a good
That was good.
That was
That
so
was good speed.
I think that was perfect amount of speed, not too fast.
Like you didn't do that second push here, and I think your speed was way better.
Yeah. Alright, right here. Put it down.
Oh! Absolute monster.
Missed
Almost.
it. Oh, that was good.
You were right there.
It's going down. Yeah.
Do you think your homie can do it?
Yes, totally.
Do you believe?
Yeah. Yes,
Me too.
sir.
I believe too. All right, right here. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
So how are you feeling when you get on the 50-50, when you actually lock in?
Pretty good.
Feel pretty good? You know how to pop out? All right. And don't let that guy snake you, all right?
I'm working on it.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Right here.
Oh! Do a few ollies on flat. Just a few.
Just
Pop
to get
them
in the zone. Yeah. See, that was good pop. How you feeling?
Good.
Sick. Yeah.
You got it. Just a good ollie.
Yeah. That was good.
See how you're kind of just like, as soon as you pop, you're instantly just trying to put your foot down, your trucks down. Like literally just let the board float when you ollie. You don't have to put the trucks down. If you pop really well, your board will just kind of float where you need to be. But I think what you're also trying to do, because you're trying to get over the ledge, is you're like turning and trying to like force your body onto the ledge. All you have to do is kind of just lean your weight over your board a little bit. You don't have to turn your shoulders like this. All you have to do is kind of lean over the ledge a little bit and then pop. That's it. You got it. Really good pop. Just ease it into the 50-50. It's all good.
Progressing.
You seen anything, Glow?
I'm gonna watch another one. I think I do see something.
Yeah.
But if it's two in a row.
Oh, that was
Flat
it.
out into the ramp.
One more. I think you should try to put your back foot a little more right here in the pocket so you get a solid more pop.
It's all good. We'll be here till you land it.
That was sick.
Yes!
That was so good. Boom. Triumphant. How did that feel?
Amazing.
That was so good.
You got a good grind too. You were
Yeah,
grinding
you really
there for a little
grinded
bit.
Yes, sir. Bam.
You got any tips for someone else that is trying to learn 50-50? What would you give advice to them? If someone else is trying to and they can't do it.
Pop hard.
Pop hard? Yeah, that is good advice.
That's good advice.
Get up onto the ledge.
Yeah. Well done.
Thank you.
Well, that was absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for learning 50-50. That was really cool to see. That's it for this video. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave in the comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard, and we have everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Yee-hoo! I like your shirt.